Thanks for joining us today for Coffee Break CRM. My name is Kristen, and today we're going to be discussing how to enable or disable search capability for a field inside of CRM. As anyone who's using CRM knows, the application is based upon different record types such as accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, as well as fields. Now, these fields are also called attributes. These are different options and data captures for you on the forms of the specific record types. So if I take a look at an account form, let me open up one of my account records. These are fields. Account name, account number, relationship type. These can be populated on the form to allow data capture based upon that specific information. Now, a lot of these fields are needed for data entry. Some of them may not be needed for search capability. CRM also has what's called Advanced Find, which is a basic reporting query tool. Advanced Find is available from within CRM on the UI ribbon in multiple different locations. So I'm inside of the Workplace module. It's also available in the Sales module, the Marketing module, et cetera, et cetera. So if I take a look at an Advanced Find query, I'll click on Details to be able to make changes to it. If I drop down with a new query line and say I want to search on a new field, see all these fields? These are all fields that are specified as searchable from within CRM. So let's say I created a brand new field called Test, and I'm still working out the details. I don't want people to really be able to search inside of the system for what's inside of that field because I just haven't finished it yet. I can go ahead and go into the customization area of CRM and choose to make this field non-searchable. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and minimize this window. The configuration area in 2011 is located in Settings, Customizations, and then Customize the System. This will open up with the default solution, which is the basic interface for CRM. Has all the out-of-the-box as well as the custom entities. So from here, what I'm going to need to do is find the opportunity entity, and then I need to find the field that I want to mark as not searchable. So I'm going to expand the entities section, and I'm going to scroll down until I find opportunity. I'm going to go ahead and expand the opportunity section. I'm going to go ahead and click on fields. And I know test is a custom field, so I'm going to go ahead and default this view to custom. I'm going to scroll down until I find my test field. So to be able to change the field attributes, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And the field of note is going to be this searchable field. So of course it defaults to yes. All fields are defaulted to searchable inside of the system. You have to choose to toggle them to not searchable. So I would choose no. Save and close. Publish. This will go ahead and finalize the change that I made to that particular attribute. So before I close out of this, let me go ahead and go back to Advanced Find. Let me open up the window and go to that view. I'm going to change the Look For drop down. Choose Opportunities. If I drop down Select and I scroll down to the T area, I'm looking for Test. I don't see it. That's because we just made that field not searchable. This is the main purpose of making those fields not searchable, so that people can't go in the system and find information inside of that particular field. It also helps to clean up Advanced Find. If you have a bunch of old fields that aren't even being used on the form anymore, there's no need to have them marked as searchable inside of the system and convolute this Advanced Find dropdown. Advanced Find, once you start using it, is always going to be a little bit tricky. So minimizing the complexity and reducing the visibility of all of these fields that aren't needed is always going to help make the process a little bit easier. So let's say I want to go back and make a field searchable. If I go back to that customization area, click on that field again. To make it searchable once more, all I have to do is change this drop down to searchable to yes, save and close, and then republish. Thank you for tuning in to Coffee Break CRM. I hope you enjoyed the material. Be sure to check out our other videos that are available online.